Now, next, after that, we discussed about message writing, right? How to write a message. Who said no?
No, ma'am.
We did not discuss about message writing.
No, ma'am.
Yes, that's what message. How to write a message. Okay, fine, no problem. We have already done it in the class on page number 9 of your workbook. Take page number 9.
Okay, ma'am. I'm in
So,
workbook.
workbook, yes, workbook. So on page number 9 of your workbook, we have the formal writing, message writing. So when do we write a message? When you want to convey something to someone. If you want to accept an invitation or reject an invitation, how it is conveyed through the message. And we are going to write the message accordingly. And here you can see a sample message on page number 9. Your close friend is. So what do you mean by close friend? The person, a friend who is very, very close to you. He might be your best friend, right? Your close friend is celebrating her 9th birthday and has invited you to a party. Here is a sample message that says that you cannot accept the invitation. So look at the message given in the pink box. Sorry, I cannot be there at the party. And then it is written, Dear Sampriti, thank you so much for inviting me to your birthday party. I would have loved to attend, but I have some plans with my grandparents the same night as your party. Since these plans were made earlier, I cannot cancel them now. So this friend says that I'm so happy or I'm so thankful that you invited me to your birthday, but I'm so sorry I cannot come. What is the reason? The same night of your birthday party, I have some plans with my grandparents and it was made much, much earlier. I cannot cancel them now. I'm really sorry to inform you that I will not be able to come. Hope you have a great party. Happy birthday in advance. Love, Shrika. So this is how a message is given. Okay. And if you look at the message there, you can understand. Okay. You can see there is a heading written, right? On the top. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. I cannot be. No need of writing. You just look at the screen. There at the party. Okay, this is called the heading. So when you write the message, the first thing you have to do is on the top, in the middle, you have to write the heading. Then you have to write the date and month, right? On the left side. So here it is given 15 December, right? And after that, you have to write the time. And here it is given 5:30 p.m. So this is a format of the message which you have to follow while writing. And then comes the salutation. Dear Sampriti. Sampriti is the name of the friend who is going to celebrate her 9th birthday and she's throwing a birthday party and this guy has been invited. Dear, so you have to write Dear Sampriti and then comma. And then comes the body of the message where you write the content of the message. And after completing the message, love, or we say in the letter, right, with love. So here love, comma, your name, because you are writing the message. So these are the things, these are the basic things that you have to take care while writing a message. On the top, the title or the heading. Left side, the date, month. Below that, the time. After that, dear, to whom you are writing the message. Then body of the message. So suppose if it is an invitation, the first thing you have to do is thanking the person. So you have to write thank you so much for so, for so and so. And then whatever is the matter, you have to write it. And after concluding, love, and you have to write your name. Okay, so now let's look at exercise 4. Your friend Imran's mother, Mrs. Aziz. So, what is the name of your friend? Imran. You cannot change the name, okay? Imran is your friend, and Imran's mother is Mrs. Aziz, has invited you to watch the movie Wall-E. Wall-E is the name of the movie at their house. Write a message accepting the invitation, and you have already done this, right? Yes. This is the exercise that you have already done. Please check on page number 9 and check whether you have completed it. Have you done this? How many of you have done this? Yes, very good, Adhika. Then others. Abhinav. Okay. Isan, Advait, Arav. What about Gauri Nanda and Siddharth? Take page number 9 and check whether you have completed this exercise. This was done long back. We are just doing the revision. Okay, Andrea has completed. What about Raika, Krishnav, Naila? Yes, Lizel has completed. Shravan has done it. Adinath, very good. What about Hanna? Hanna, yes, okay, good. Then others, Dia, Anna Rose, did it? So, listen children, if you have not completed this exercise, please copy it down to your workbook page number 9. And those who have already done it, please write the same to your rough book so that it will give you a practice. Come on, take your rough book, and those who have completed it already, please copy it down to your rough book. Others, those who have not done this in your workbook, copy this. Write it in your workbook. I hope I'm clear to you. Did you all understand what to do? Let me hear that yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I don't complete.
I'll repeat. See, most of you. Okay, if you have completed, see, Advait, don't speak too closely through the mic, okay? I'm not able to hear you clearly. See, those who have completed it, please take your rough book and copy it to your rough book. Practice once. And those who have not done it, Krishna, have you done this exercise on page number 9? Have you done it, Krishna? Yes or no? Okay, what happened, Devananda?
Ma'am, I don't complete.
Okay, so those who did not do it, please copy it down because this is a sure question in your book. So what is given here? As I said, on the top, the title is given or the heading is given, excited to watch Wall-E. And this one, here it is given 11 November. If you want, you can change the date and month. You can also change the time. If you want to write any other timing, you can write that. So, dear Imran and Auntie, Auntie is Imran's mother. You cannot say Mrs. Aziz there, right? Because you are Imran's friend.
Ma'am, we want to write same name.
Yeah, name should be the same because in the question it is Imran. You are Imran's friend. And they have invited you to their home for watching the movie Wall-E. So the movie's name, Imran's name should not change. Thank you so much for inviting me to watch the movie at your house. Full stop. Take care of the punctuation marks. I have been eagerly waiting to watch it. I will bring some snacks when I come. See you soon. Love. This name can be changed here. Instead of this, you have to write your name.
Ma'am,
Okay?
we want to write our name.
Yes, your name, because you are writing the message. Just a moment, I'll scroll it down. I hope it is clear now. Isan, can you see the screen properly? Adika, Isan? Okay, good. Thank you. So please copy it down to your rough book. And please take care the spelling of snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S. Okay, snacks. It's not S-N-A-K-E-S. Please, please, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to bring that screen to the middle. Oof. It's toggling. Okay, thank you. What about Gauri Nanda? Have you completed in your workbook, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You're writing in your rough book now?
Yes.
Okay, carry on. So in the content, you have just 3 sentences that you have to learn. Thank you so much for inviting me to watch the movie at your house. The first sentence, I have been eagerly waiting to watch it. I will bring some snacks when I come. See you soon. So only 3 to 4 sentences that you have to write and study. Plus the format, the heading, the time, the date, that your name, all everything should be written correctly. Finished? Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Did you all finish writing that?
Yes.
Okay. So if you have not finished writing it in the rough book, please do it. Complete it after the class. Yes, Anay. What happened?
Ma'am, I just joined now.
Why are you late?
Ma'am, my connection was low.
Okay, okay. So we were just doing the revision on page number 9. Okay? Page number 9 of your workbook. Just check whether you have completed that.
Ma'am, I completed that.
Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next page, that is on page number 10, creative writing, diary entry. Who is that? Andrea? Okay, wait, Andrea. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
here in my workbook it is written some other letters and words in the first type.
I didn't understand. I didn't get you.
In the workbook,
Ah,
this is some other sentences.
from where did you get the sentence?
That time, ma'am, in the class, ma'am, tell that shared board I write it.
Okay. What did you write? Can you please read what you have written? It is okay, Andrea. Read what you have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah,
Excited to watch Wall E.
yes. Okay.
26th October,
Hmm.
6 o'clock p.m.
Okay. Ah, then.
Dear Imran and Auntie,
Hmm.
thank you so much for inviting me to watch the movie at your house.
Okay.
I have been
Hmm. I have been eagerly.
eagerly waiting to watch
Hmm.
it.
Hmm. Then.
I will bring some
Hmm. I'll bring some.
when I come.
Huh.
We
Then.
will have fun.
Okay. Some extra additional sentence, right? We will have fun. Okay. That's no problem at all. You can write like that also. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one, that is diary entry. And we have already discussed in the class what is diary entry. It is a personal, like a sharing of personal experience, personal feelings with a diary. Okay, and when you write diary, there is a particular format, and the format is given here. You have to just write the day and date on the top, and then greeting or salutation, like dear diary, because you are writing, you are sharing your feelings with your diary. So you are considering the diary as your best friend and say, dear diary, and whatever you have to write, you will be writing, and the end, you will write your name. Okay, so many people keep diaries. A diary is a book in which one can write about things that happen in their day-to-day lives or special events. Many people write diary entries almost every day. People share their thoughts, feelings, hopes, and dreams in their diaries. Look at a sample of a diary entry. So here, like Friday, 11 November. So the day is coming, the date is coming, and the month is coming. Okay, you have to write all the three. Then after that, dear diary. Dear diary, today was such a horrible day. Nothing went right. I wish I could do it all over again. First, I forgot that I had to wear my white shoes today. Mr. Zubaydar, the strict sports teacher, made me run 3 rounds of the ground before the assembly. 3. Then I went to the classroom to find that I was late for the class, so my class teacher made me stand outside the class. I have never had a worse day in my life. I hope such a day never repeats. So this is a sample diary given on page number 10. Now on page number 11, exercise 5, we have to just fill in the missing words and make the diary complete. Now please check whether you have written that. This one. Please check. So here, look at that. Instead of this Friday, you can write any other day, even date, you can change. Dear diary, please make sure to write the spelling of the diary correctly, because some students might write D-A-I-R-Y, which is wrong. D-A-I-R-Y is dairy, that is milk products, dairy products like cheese, butter, curd, all these are dairy products. The other one is diary. Diary, the spelling is D-I-A-R-Y. I had a very interesting experience yesterday. I was playing with my friends Anish and Tara. This you can change. You can write your friends' names. When a little kitten jumped in to play with us, I named her Burfi. When mommy came, see, there is a spelling mistake. There is the, like it is given come in the book. You have to make it A. When mummy came home from work, she saw Burfi and asked me to send her away. I begged her to let me keep Burfi. Finally, she said I could if Burfi did not belong to anyone. Now the final name, Sohail, this can be changed. You can write your name instead. Okay, so this is how you have to fill in the missing words and make the diary complete. Okay, so please check whether you have written this to your book. So for the examination, you should be learning these words to be filled in. See, jumped into play with us. When mummy came home from work, she saw Burfi and asked me to send her away. Or if you can write any other sentence which will suit that situation, you can write. Instead of Sohail, you have to write your name. Okay? So Isan can write Isan's name, Abhinav can write Abhinav's name, Adhika, you can write your name there. Children, in the next class, you should revise our first lesson, the foolish fish. Okay? Revise that lesson and come prepared in the next class. We will have a test, revision test. First, we'll do an oral revision, then I'll give you a test. Is there anyone who has not completed this exercise in your workbook? Ashar, you were late, I guess. Sorry. Were you late for the class? Ashar Benny.
Ma'am?
Did you join late in the class?
No.
Okay. Have you completed the other exercise? Message?
Oh, yes.
Okay. And what about this one, diary? Page number 11. Just check whether it is completed. Anna?
Ma'am?
Yes, Anna, have you completed this in your workbook?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Good. What about Advait? Is it completed, Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Both exercises? Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, children. So please make sure that you have completed all these 4 exercises from module 7.
Yes.
Because these are the 4 ones: word groups, then word play, and then the message, and this diary writing. These are the 4 exercises that we have for the examination. So please make sure that you complete all the 4, and then we will be having the test for all this. Okay, I will be taking revision test for this message writing and diary entry.
Okay.
Okay, so please study it well. So let me wind up the class. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.